There's a law called Parkinson's law, and it actually says that work expands based on the amount of time available for that work. So like, for example, like if you are someone that create work blocks for yourself, like you box yourself, like for example, okay, I'm going to finish editing this video in 1 hour. You find yourself stretching yourself and like kind of like improving your capabilities. So that's the same thing with money. Like when you decide, okay, I'm going to spend less, I'm going to live on less, at first it may look daunting, but once you create that opportunity to stretch your capability, then you see like you're saving more money, like you're spending less time on tasks. And that's pretty much how I learned to save more money. So once I identify all my fixed expenses and my monthly subscriptions, I first put away my savings. I think it's really important to have this principle of savings first. So most people, they save last. Once they pay like their rent, their insurance, and once they like spend on themselves, they're like, okay, I'm going to save after this. But actually, it's much more effective to save first before you spend money on yourself and spend money on other things.